Hi there, students. Tabula rasa. Tabula rasa. Okay, this comes directly from Latin. Let's see, a tabula rasa is a situation where nothing has been planned yet. Nothing has been decided. So this situation can develop in any way you want. Yeah, it can develop. It can develop freely. Yeah, it's like it's developing from nothing. So, for example, the United States. Well, the Pilgrim Fathers went to the United States, and the United States was a tabula rasa. Yeah, it was a place that could develop politically and geographically. Because nothing had been decided for the United States yet. Or, for example, if you build a new town in an area, if you plan a completely new town where nobody is living, then this is a tabula rasa. Yeah, you can build it, or you are free to decide how it should be done. You're free to decide what to do with it. Now, let's look at tabula rasa. The basic meaning, in Latin, tabula rasa talks about a tablet, a wax tablet that has been wiped clean. They used to write on wax tablets, they used to inscribe, and when they'd finished, they would warm them and wipe them clean so that there was nothing there. And tabula rasa refers to the philosophical theory, or the philosophical question is, when we are born, do we already have the possession of certain knowledge, or is our mind a blank slate? And tabula rasa is a blank slate. So if we say that humans are born tabula rasa, then it says we are born without any without any internal mental content, and that everything comes from experience. Personally, I think it's a mixture of the two. I think we have some innate ideas and some things that are already within us. But tabula rasa, the idea of this is a blank slate. So imagine this town that I've planned on a blank area where nobody's living. This is a blank slate, and you can design it in any way you want. And that's the idea of tabula rasa. Yeah. So it's a person whose character is not fixed, who can develop in different ways. So I think teachers need to be very careful, because young students, when they start at school, they very often are very close to being a tabula rasa. Yeah, and their minds can develop in different ways. Their character or their understanding of the world is not yet fixed. Yeah, and you need to be very careful with what you teach them. Yeah, parents must remember that children develop and learn a lot of things from their parents, and they may not be completely tabula rasa. However, there are a lot of things that are not fixed. So tabula rasa in philosophy is the idea that the human mind at birth, it doesn't have any fixed thoughts or any fixed ideas. Okay, so you can then use this idea of tabula rasa to say something that is in a primitive state, something that is in a primordial state, and it's an opportunity to start from the beginning. Yeah, to let it grow and develop in its own way, and that really is the idea of tabula rasa. So, formality. This is a philosophical one. I think I'm probably going to give it 6.5, maybe even 7. I wouldn't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then, as to origin, okay, it comes from tabula, a tablet, and rasa, from rasus, scraped or erased. So you have this wax tablet and you scrape or you erase off the wax what was written, and now it's a clean slate to write again. And that's the idea of tabula rasa, a clean slate, something that can be developed or can develop in its own way. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tabula Rasa.